So some people don't know that as an alternative, you can walk up to the Getty. It's a nice walk if you have the extra time. Maybe it takes about 20 minutes up the hill. You can walk down too, or you can take the tram one way. I used to see deer in here, but you don't see them anymore. I don't know if they chased them out or what. Once I saw a big buck several years ago. They have school kids coming here. Like today, I noticed 10 yellow busloads of school kids, and they all get priority on the tram. So anybody behind the school kids could be waiting an hour or more. So in that case, you actually might save time by walking up. I asked them why they don't just send the school buses straight up to the top, because you can drive up here too. There's a road up here, obviously. That would seem to be the wise thing to do, but the guy said, well, it's kind of narrow. Maybe liability going down. It's kind of steep, I don't know. But it's a shame for those tourists who come here and pay their $15 to park and maybe never been here before, that they have to wait like that. See, I live here in the area, so I walk here. I actually can walk about half a mile to get here. I don't have to pay the fee. And but usually when I walk here, I don't walk up the hill as well. So I'm getting extra exercise today.